The reference and keyword search options will help you be more effective as you add line items to an estimate in Xactimate. To start, I'll navigate to Estimate items in my project. Remember to always have the correct room or other sketch object selected for which the line item should be listed. There are two ways to find line items within Xactimate. These are the reference search and the keyword search. Reference search contains images of typical structural areas such as a bathroom, kitchen, or roof. I'm going to click the kitchen. With the image open, I can click on hotspots that open a list of refined topics. In this case, I'm going to click on the oven. I'll select the appropriate refined topic to narrow down the list of corresponding line items. I'm going to select ovens, and in the search results, I'll select built-in oven standard grade. I'll now click Insert and then Close. The line item has been added to my project. The most effective way to find line items is by using the keyword search. In the keyword search field, I'll type the word or words that most closely identifies the line item I'm searching for. Notice predictive text automatically appears as I type. Xactimate creates a list for all line items from the price list that match my search. I'll click on the desired line item in the predictive text window. Now the line item has been added to my project. When doing your own search, if a line item doesn't immediately appear, click Search. This will open a list with all line items matching your criteria. After a while, you may start to memorize the category and selector codes for common line items and can type them directly in the Quick Entry window. For example, I can enter PNT in the category field and P in the selector field for the line item Paint One Coat. And that's it! You can now find a line item in Xactimate.